This video will demonstrate what surfactant does in our alveoli. As a reminder, surfactant is a mixture that is composed of lipid and proteins made by type 2 alveolar cells. It is important as it lines the alveoli to lower surface tension, thus preventing atelectasis during breathing. So we know that water and oil doesn't like to mix. So this demonstration will show what happens if we have water being pulled in the area versus water with some lipids. In this case, this soap that has lipids in a surface area. I'm going to use the surface area of a coin to demonstrate this. First off, I'm going to start off by adding a few drops of water onto a coin. So even though I was trying to separate the drops, you will start to notice that the drops attract and come together. Water is a molecule with 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, which gives it an uneven distribution of charge. This causes the water molecule to come together and stick when they're close and nearby, forming hydrogen bonds between them. Air tends to avoid interacting with water, so the cohesive forces between the water molecules work to reduce the surface area. This causes the alveoli to collapse in the lung, impacting the ability to inspire air. So you'll see how it's grouped up and it's come together as one. Even as I start to tip it, it's going to be moving together in this one uniform droplet. On the left side, I'm going to add a few droplets of water that has dish soap, which contains lipids. So the drops, they're going to be the same exact size of drops as before. But you'll start to see that the drops look much thinner and they start to spread apart. And as I move the coin, you're going to start to see that the water is a lot more fluidly. The lipids in the surfactant is reducing the surface tension, so instead of pulling in one area, it will spread out, hence why it looks thinner. By lowering surface tension, surfactant prevents the alveoli from sticking together as well as fluid accumulation, thus preventing collapsing during exhalation. When the water pools in one area, it makes gas exchange difficult to occur, but when the lipid thins out the water over a larger surface area, it makes it easier for diffusion to occur.